Ugh, I haven't been here in like a long time, bro. Hello, Yunche. Oh, well, hello, Megan. I want to be hired here. Okay. I mean, look at this jewelry. Okay, well, show me your uniform then. Here, there's my uniform. Why did you break the Twizzlers, bro? Ugh, whatever. I guess I'll sign you. Another job, another day. Can't do this. What? Here you go. Oh, thanks. What you want? Oh, you want kissy? Okay, well, you're out of control. I'm an animal. What the heck am I doing? Why are we in bikinis? What is happening? You move like an animal. But I was always saying, you need to do this. Yeah, you move like an animal. I don't know what the lyrics, because it just came out. Girl, I'm a statue. What the heck is this? Let me just transform real quick. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna poison you first. There you go. Well, I'm not blind, duh. Obviously, it's here. What you guys doing? Ooh, can I have this? Yummy. Wait, Laura. Hi, guys. I'm Sophia, not Laura. What are they doing,
what is
bro?
Geffen doing, bro?
You know,
it's Geffen's fault, right?
Yeah, oh my god. Okay, wait. Disgusting.
So, why are they
doing
doing
this?
this?
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Ugh, Geffen. Like, ugh.
Okay,
wait. I can't. I mean, shoot. Oh my gosh. I can't do this. Oh my god. I'm like definitely. Oh my gosh. Let me get the boost. What the heck is happening? I hate this. I can't do this. Like, I had to like this one. I can't do this. Like, I can't do this. No, get off me. I can't do this. Help me.
Alright, let's get wild.
Yeah, we're at Batty. Yeah, we're going. Yeah, sleigh at the sleigh. What? Monster High? Like Monster High? Like it's giving Monster High? Like, oh my god, Monster High? Yeah, I'm a sleigh. I'm a baddie girl. I don't know why Geffen does that. Like, this is like, no, I can't do it. Honestly, I think Geffen's not okay.